This one ought to be pretty easy. This is ixld4 using a graph. 3 out of 4 of you know how to do this, but there's still that 25% of you that don't. It says use this graph to find f of 3. What that means is you find the y value when x is 3. That's all it means you do. So here's where x is 3. I'm going to scroll up, and the y value is 6. Ta-da! It's not a hard lesson. I'm going to find f of 8. I go to where x is 8. I scroll up. I look at my grid, and it looks like the y value is 7. All right, let's jump ahead. These are pretty easy. Oh, the other way around. What does that mean? Whoa, what does that mean? Because I know this throws off a lot of y'all. So let's figure out what that means. I don't know why I put that there. I actually don't want that there. I want this in a different piece of software, so I can actually draw on it. All right, use this graph of g to find the solution gx equals 5. So I think most kids struggle with what does g of x equal 5 mean? What is that crap? It means find x when y is 5. That's all it means. Find x and y is 5. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to where y is 5, and I'm going to draw a horizontal line in a color other than white. And I'm going to pay attention to this spot right here, because that's where that horizontal line and that slanted line intersect. And that has an x value of 4. So x is 4. So they're not that hard. 4. Brilliant. God, I'm good at this stuff. All right, use the graph to find a solution. F of x is 9. So I'm kind of looking where y is 9. Then I just scan over the graph. Look down at the x-axis. Looks like a 10. Done. Jump ahead, see if there's anything hard in here. Where is y0? That's where is y0. Y is 0 when x is 2. That'll throw some kids off. Anytime you talk about 0, it throws them off. G of 4, that's old. Looks like G of 4 is 1. Ta-da. Ooh, they used a negative number. G of negative 6. Scroll up. 8. Well done, Milbrath, well done. F of 6, or f of x is 6, 3. Let's level up, see if there's anything interesting, because I need to decide how far to take this one. F of x is 2, nothing different about that. They're just making the graphs a little more interesting. Ooh, piecewise. That's a piecewise graph, but it's not hard. F of 2, 5, right? More piecewise. G of negative 7. Which one is it? Which one is it? Well, all right, let's talk about this one. All right, so G of negative 7. So if we look where x equals negative 7 and look up at the graphs, we see a closed dot and an open. Well, an open dot or an open hole has no value. So we use a closed hole. So it looks to me like g of negative 7 has an actual value of 7. Excellent. I am in the challenge zone. That's how good I am at this stuff. F of x is 3. One value. Nothing interesting about that. 7. To find where f of x is negative 2. There's two answers. Look at that. There's 4 and negative 9. They probably want this in increasing order. Wonderful. Where is y1? Y is 1. They did that to us, didn't they? Right there at negative 9. Whoop. Good thing I didn't press enter. Where is y4? Y is 4 in 3 different spots. Or no, 2 different spots. Here and here. So negative 6 and negative 2. Terrific. One more to go and I'll have this thing. Where is g of x 7? So where is the y value 7? At negative 8 and at 9. Ta-da! Spectacular. That's how good I am. I am so good at this stuff. At least I'm good at something.